guys, so for today's video we got a couple of preloads here. These are pretty large single shots called the 500 number 500 shell, professional grade by Snakebite Fireworks, and these are basically just really big shells and they're already loaded for you. I've actually never done a video on these bigger preloads like these, so I figured I'd get a couple and do a video on them. I actually bought these a couple months ago. I think it was actually closer to 4th of July, and figured I'd do a video on them. Now, unfortunately, these are very light comparative to their size, and I'll have to shine a light through there so you guys can see that wad. Yeah, it's all the way down there. Pretty thick cardboard, but I just feel like they're super light for how big they are, so I'm not quite sure how well these are going to perform. So I've got a red one, kind of a reddish orange, and a blue one here. We will see what these two do. I'm not sure if there's any difference in the effects. Yeah, there is actually, because they got different pictures. So yeah, I think these actually do come in a pack. I don't know what it's called, but I believe these do originally come in a pack of like 6 maybe, in a case. I do know there's green one, orange one, and a purple one, I think, is what the colors that I saw, but they didn't have the packs there. They were only selling these in singles. So I bought these two, and yeah, let's go ahead and see what they do. Alright, first up is the red one. Nice. Those are actually really good. Blue one. Those are really nice. I was not expecting that. Yep, those are actually surprisingly really good. I was not expecting that much, that big of a break on these, just because these preloads, these 500 number 500 preloads, from any brand really, they're usually just pretty crappy compared to their size. But if you do compare these to professional shells, they're definitely not going to be quite as good, but these are actually pretty good for what they are. And I don't even remember how much these were. I think they were like close to maybe $5 a piece or something like that. So they're pretty cheap. But yeah, I do like them. These are actually probably some of the best larger preloads that I've seen. There are probably some better ones out there, but these are actually pretty good. So definitely underestimated them, but they're still not the best out there. So there's that. But yeah, I am definitely not disappointed on these. I actually really like them. The effects were really good too, especially the palm one, or whatever that was. Brocade to green with the white strobe. I think that's what that blue one was. It was really nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.